Hey guys, Tony here. Listen, I'm sending out this email. It's about 6:50 right now, 6:50 Eastern, and kind of late notice. Actually, I sent out an email earlier today that I would not be able to make the credit education call because I'd be in class. Well, just so happened my daughter and my granddaughter got some kind of stomach bug, and it got me, so I'm not able to go to class tonight. And so I'm going to be on the call if you're able to make it. Again, I know it's short notice. For those of you who are interested in improving your credit and also, or possibly, earning income helping others improve their credit. Now, if you're interested in improving your credit, we have a special of $2.99 one time. We do 3 rounds of credit, but credit repair, credit restoration, and George will give you that information tonight. But we also have an opportunity for you to earn income helping others improve your credit. You don't do any of the work. You don't take your client's information. And that's $49 right now. And so this is a great opportunity for you. Again, I'm going to be on the call tonight, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. I hope you can make it. I'm going to actually put my contact information below this video, and also the link to my personal site. You can find out more information about what we're doing. Again, excuse me, I'm just not feeling my best, but I'm going to be on the call. I just lost my train of thought, guys. But anyway, I'm going to put that information right below the video, and I hope you can make it. Have a great day.